Man.
Yeah, man. I'm go next door to Jesus' yard. Couldn't carry my prayer them come direct.
You say you're not for
I
free.
have to send them up this morning. Couldn't carry them come direct connect. You know kind of like this. Eh? I could have stopped at a supermarket and do my shopping. Because I look like a whole year thing like that.
Say, yo, I want something. I want that pino. Yo,
brother, some people allergy different from some people, you know, brother.
No,
Some people them need from them smell it too. From them smell it. Yes, it's a tight.
no, alright. You see if they start eating right now,
Yeah.
my mouth start spring water.
Yeah.
Right? And then now, all of a sudden, I start scratch. Yes, so
Well,
all else start hurting.
You have to try your pork.
Dead.
You see, you have to carry. Nobody can digest. My sister reject it from me at 12.
That's me. From me at 6.
That's a pork.
Yeah, man, I can't eat pork itself. And the funny thing is, when me that eat meat, I could eat the sausage and the bacon and
Yeah.
stuff, but the pork itself,
Can't eat it.
system say, what you do to me?
fire burn for them, you know.
Yeah, the man.
No pork. This is
Now meat to me teeth.
Sprite, what you say? Talk out. What you say?
What
What you say? Dog, the channel have to turn up. What you say?
6 years. Yeah. And man, left go up on the road and like him forgot something and come back. When he come back, he come see man in the house.
6 years the man there, man.
He gonna say, yo, where are you? Man, I say, yo, man, I leave you, man. Man, say, never know something. Man, say, me. And man,
Live there for 6 years.
yeah. And the police, man say,
So him close and all them sitting there.
there. He say, man, live there.
Yeah, I tell you, the man that tells him live how much you
Man, 13 bedroom up on the house.
Keep up with them.
He can't keep up with that, so that the man that live a film yard.
Yeah.
A film yard and him don't know.
Yeah.
What kind of capture like this? Here me I say the man them for know the big bad Vice man, I represent for Shatter Shit.
Yeah.
You see that YouTube page, but have to subscribe to it. Don't wait, do it now. Yeah? Let's go.
Click like on the video then. And don't just say, come off. Just click a like, follow, make a comment. I knew something, you know. Yeah, man.
I clips record.
Wrote something.
Hey, hey, yo, Shotty shit. Me
Yeah.
don't tell them dancing hotter than fire.
Like a new kicks. Hey, step out like a matrix. Hey, run out. Everybody. Run out. Every skanker. Run out.
Let's go.
New rave, yeah. Run out. Everybody.
Yeah.
Run out. Every skanker.